What's up? What's up, dude? Alright, your chin's a little bloody. Dude, you okay? Fuck, 911, are we good? Broken, 911, or you want to ride in the ambulance?
He's bleeding too.
Do you want an ambulance, dude? Yes, 911.
Hey, it says no right turn.
Yeah.
How you feeling about that?
I think it's a lie.
You think it worked out well then?
Not the greatest. It'll be alright.
What'd you do?
Turned right.
Land on the Bobcat?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a first.
Zoom in on the chin real quick.
He's got a laceration.
This is Travis's house, yep, but it's not Travis.
That was unfucking believable.
Did anybody get that on tape?
So I'm not flipping today.
He's definitely got broken stuff.